Imagine walking through a garden and suddenly catching the unmistakable scent of chocolate. Not from a bakery, not from a cup of cocoa, but from a flower. Meet chocolate cosmos. One of the most unusual and enchanting flowers in the garden world. Native to Mexico, the chocolate cosmos is famous for its deep velvety red petals and rich cocoa-like fragrance that becomes strongest on warm sunny days. The scent comes from natural compounds released by the flower, especially during the afternoon heat. And while the smell reminds people of chocolate, the plant is actually closely related to sunflowers and daisies. Its dark colouring also makes it especially striking in cottage gardens, where it contrasts beautifully with softer pinks, whites and purples. But chocolate cosmos has an even more fascinating story. For many years, the original wild plant was believed to have disappeared completely from nature. The flowers grown today survive only because gardeners continued cultivating and dividing them over generations. In a way, gardens help save the plant from disappearing forever. The flower's dark petals also absorb warmth from sunlight, which may help intensify its scent and attract pollinators. And unlike many bright flowers that rely heavily on colour alone, chocolate cosmos uses its fragrance as part of its attraction. In folklore and modern symbolism, dark flowers like these are often associated with mystery, elegance and hidden beauty. And few flowers feel more mysterious than the one that smells like a dessert. So next time you pass a flower bed, remember, nature can surprise us in the sweetest ways imaginable. And welcome to the Bear and the Garden channel.